Hey developers, what if you could put full .NET Standard 2 apps into just about everything and collect data from them everywhere? Then update all of them anytime you wanted over the air. What if you could develop those connected things from off-the-shelf components in a plug-and-play way? What if you could build IoT as quickly and easily as you build mobile or web apps today? Say hello to Meadow. Meadow is the world's only secure, enterprise-grade, cloud-managed connected things platform for professional developers that allows you to build the next generation of hardware applications with .NET Standard 2 and run them on a microcontroller. With a massive peripheral driver library and an expansive set of hardware APIs, Meadow is a plug-and-play hardware development experience which removes much of the complexity of building hardware and allows you to focus on the app experience, enabling you to easily create anything you want. You can develop Meadow apps in Visual Studio or VS Code on Windows or Mac using any .NET language and the full .NET Standard 2 API surface. So you can even use your favorite NuGet libraries. Let's say you wanted to build solar-powered cameras that use machine vision to identify, photo, and categorize wildlife, and then automatically upload those images along with field data such as temperature and rainfall to the cloud. Just add TensorFlow Sharp, your favorite cloud provider NuGet, then run your recognition model locally and upload the results. Meadow makes it that easy. And to get you started developing with Meadow today, we've created the Meadow F7 development board. The F7 is an embeddable module that's based on the Adafruit Feather form factor, and it has integrated Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, a ton of I/O including digital, analog, I2C, SPI, serial, and even CAN, so you can connect to just about anything, including your car. It's ultra low energy, so it can run indefinitely on a small solar cell or for years on a small battery. In fact, it even has an integrated battery charging circuit. Yet it's powerful enough to fly a drone. At the heart of it is an STM32 F7 microcontroller, and we've paired that with 32 megabytes of flash storage and 16 megabytes of RAM. And of course, it runs Meadow OS, which supports full .NET Standard 2 applications and secure over-the-air updates. I've been hacking hardware for a long time, but I've always felt limited by how primitive the platforms were. It's a lot of work to write apps in C++ or wiring, and even the .NET Micro Framework has its limitations. So I started thinking, what if we could do something similar to what we did at Xamarin? What if we could get Mono running on a microcontroller? That would enable full .NET applications to run on a low-cost chip that we could embed everywhere. It would be a massive leap forward in the state of the art. And then so we asked, well, what would it take to make hardware development as fast and easy as software development?
Then we took it even further. We started building sophisticated libraries to do menuing with LCD screens, as well as graphic libraries for e-ink and OLED. It natively integrates with Google Home and Alexa, and of course, has first-class support for Azure, AWS, and Google Cloud.
As software developers, we've been building a platform that we want to use. Something that enables everyday developers to be part of the connected things revolution. And now we need you. So come be a part of this with us. Your support will enable us to do a full production run of boards, and you'll be among the very first to get your hands on one, so that you can begin building real IoT with full .NET.